What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at my trading results for the entire month of April. We will also get into my results for today. Today's April 30th, 2024. I brought in just over $1,000 today. We'll take a look at those trades. And yeah, also, if you guys care to see my results every single day, I post video format proof of my trading results. Sometimes I do quick recaps, and that gets uploaded to TikTok and Instagram. Yeah, the reason for that is honestly making a YouTube video, it just takes a lot of time. I'm still getting better at it. And usually after I'm trading for the day, I hit the gym, I come back, relax for a little bit, I review my trades, and by that time, I'm honestly just so tired that I kind of slack on the YouTube videos. But nonetheless, those TikTok and Instagram posts, I have not missed a single day of trading this entire year. So you can literally see every single day's trading results on those platforms. And I'm trying to do better on YouTube. So yeah, nonetheless, let's take a look at the trading results for April and going over today's trades. Let's go. Let's get into the trading results for the entire month of April. As we see, it was a pretty good month, bringing in just over $40,000. Biggest, areas that I am focusing on is controlling my, my large losses. This is kind of something that, previous months, I haven't really seen, but over the years, it's definitely like an Achilles heel for me. So, this just comes down to like the risk management aspect, since, this 5-figure loss is the difference between, 40,000 and 50,000. And, if I have a few more of these, it can pretty much ruin the entire month. So yeah, nonetheless, the rest of the month, pretty decent. If you want to see, videos on every single, result that you see here, check it out on my TikTok page. I post my results every single day. I do a video format of the profit or loss and a quick breakdown of what I did that day. So yeah, there's not too much to learn from this calendar. It's more just for my own tracking, and even I don't gain that much insight from just tracking win or loss, since it's really about what I'm doing on an individual trade basis that ultimately matters. And there's so many other metrics that I do focus on, and this honestly just is not one of them. But it is nice to just take a look at my results at the end of the year, month by month, week by week, kind of just see how things are going. January was my smallest month, slightly better month in February, March, and then April was pretty much on par with March. Now let's get into my trading results for today, and let's walk through some of those charts. So getting into today's trading results, I brought in just over $1,000. I traded these 4 stocks right here: Amazon, AMD, Nvidia, and Tesla. And yeah, took a loss on Amazon for just over $500. And my biggest winner came from Tesla. So Tesla today was a pretty difficult ticker to trade. Even though I brought in just over $1,500, I honestly overtraded on the stock. I could not find a good long position and kind of just fought the trend the entire day. Definitely not something that I should be doing or want to see. But, obviously this is all in hindsight looking back. During the actual day when I was trading, I did think that we would find some support on Tesla, especially since Tesla has been extremely bullish in the last few days. We're in an uptrend, and I expected that trend to continue today. However,
As we see, price just trickled on down the entire day. You know, these were the spots that I was looking at. So these are just basic levels that I was, interested in based on the chart. I mean, these are very logical levels where you would expect some form of bounce or support. But, as you see, price just sold on through everything. And so pretty much today was me just, scaling to support, trying to hold for that actual move, stopping out, scaling to support, holding for the actual move, stopping out. And yeah, so the $1,500 is pretty much just that residual profit from, when I'm essentially getting stopped out and, taking a few cents along the way. So nothing to really be proud of, since that was a result of over trading. Now let's get into Amazon. So today on Amazon, I took a loss, and this was the area right here that I was focused on. So I was long bias on Amazon today. Big picture, we had Amazon selling off last week. We then got that pullback, which would be pretty good area to short. Price sells off, we get the pullback again, and I viewed this as strength. So ultimately I came in today long biased. I was looking to join the trend long, buy some support right here. So at the open, I went long, took 400 shares as a starter. Price rallied, and right here on this candle, I got wicked out because I thought that price was going to flush. It did not, and so I began building my long position. And as you see, a lot of the support was holding. This thing was looking decently strong. However, price just did not hold. I mean, it was a pretty good level to be risking off of. And yeah, as you see, I just, kept buying at this level, but we just didn't get that move to the upside. So took my loss and then tried one more time down here, which we had some other support. And again, nothing really held. So that was that on Amazon. I mean, in hindsight, pretty decent risk management because Amazon flushes all the way down after hours, so not bad for just a $500 loss. So yeah, that is it for my trading today. Nothing else was really significant to go over. This was my biggest loser, and this was my biggest winner. And I'll see you guys in the next video.